Sometimes you just got to make adjustments in your life to be able to try to go to the track, especially when you got these dicks.
I watched Phil Schuler suck 20 inches of vacuum testing a pan bag sensor.
So, being from Australia, you should be able to do better than that.
Let's see. Yeah. Tear this shit up now. It's plastic.
Ready?
Yeah. Pull on that thing. Oh man, only two. Alright.
What?
It works. Yep.
KTR is a big facility. It takes a lot of power to run it. With our racing schedule coming up, going to Brazil, limited amount of time to get Chad Henderson'S Buick on the hub dyno and no power to be found. I want to give a huge shout out to JD at LA Smith Contracting for letting us borrow a generator. My boys did a 6-hour midnight run to Sumter, South Carolina. I called JD, I said, do you have anything that will run everything we got? He said, I think I got some, bring a big truck. So 200 kWA generator. Got us in the game just in time to get us rolling. One thing I can promise you is you do not want to fill this thing up with diesel fuel. But it just shows how good our racing community is when times are tough. And our problems aren't as bad as a lot of people's problems. I'm not downplaying what everybody's got going on, but it's really good to have folks in our racing community reach out when we need help. And things are tough in Augusta right now. A lot of people don't have a house. A lot of people don't have gasoline. We still don't have power. Grocery stores are closed. It's tough. So you guys keep us in your prayers, and we're gonna make it through it.
The Buick is not coming over here.
You're calling me. How you driving? I mean, where's your leg at?
Seems like it come up for you.
Your leg's up here? No wonder. How about that first pull? Oh my goodness.
Good job, Mom.
Hey, look at that son of a bitch.
Nobody gets involved in the pit. Good job, Mom.
Look at that son of a
Bob's
bitch.
gonna be my number one man.
Look at that son of a bitch when it hits it right there. That's it. Boom! That's second gear. Okay, we're gonna be alright. We're gonna be alright, boys.